For my project, I'm doing Buenos Aires, the capital of Argentina. It has a population of 2.8 million and is home to the Teatro Colón Grand Opera House, the Recoleta Cemetery is a cemetery that's located in a neighborhood in Buenos Aires. Try and go to the street view. You can look around. Got some different areas in the cemetery. You see a bunch of different like memorials and stuff here. Next place is the Plaza de Mayo, which is in the city square and the main foundational site of Buenos Aires. It formed in 1844. We go to the street view of right in the center. Look around. Lots of people walking around. Looks like a good place to hang out. Next is the Casa Rosado, which is the mansion where the president of Argentina lives. Give the street view of this. It's also right, you can see it from the Plaza de Mayo. I guess this is inside the mansion. Right here. It's probably where the president addresses people. Look at it from the outside. Go away. I'm recording something. Pick this point right here. You can see we're also still on the inside. It's kind of like a museum in here. The restaurants, there's this restaurant, Nuestro Secreto, which is an Argentinian restaurant. See if we can get the street view of it. Yes, this is the building that the restaurant is in. Don't know if I can get to where the actual restaurant is. But next, there's Las Nazarenas. It's another restaurant in Buenos Aires. And try and find the best street view. I guess it's from over here. It's right across the street over here on this side. Third restaurant is Lalo de Buenos Aires. And zoom in. So you can get a street view. And this one is inside the restaurant, which is looks like a big restaurant. Got all kinds of flags up. The Hilton at Buenos Aires, in Buenos Aires, has a rooftop pool and an Argentinian restaurant inside. Let's see if we can get a view of the rooftop pool. Oh, that is not. I don't know what just happened there. Here is the lobby of the hotel. Next is the Fiero Hotel. Also has a rooftop pool, which is essential in Argentina. Can't find. There we go. Looks like the hotel is right here. Looks like a nice place. Next, we have the Alvear Art Hotel, which seems like a pretty fancy looking hotel. Zoom in and try and get a good street view. Looks like the lobby right here. Sweet. And that is my video.